Right, we're going to do the isometric drawing of this orthographic projection over here. You can see that the base is basically a square base with lengths of 62 by 62. Okay, to do that, you can see that I've drawn some lines going out at the 30 degrees over here. I'm measuring off 62 millimeters over here. Okay, once I've got that in place, I can literally just take a line going across over there, and from there I would be able to draw in the base at the bottom. All right, I have got a line going up 12 millimeters over here, and I can take that across at the 30 degrees, a line going up over there, a line going up over there, a line going back over there, a line going back over here, and I have got that square base in place. Right, you'll see that it is 12 millimeters up, okay, and then it says that this corner is 12 millimeters going back over there and 12 millimeters going back over there. It also says that I have got a 12 millimeter gap going back over here. If you do these calculations, 38 millimeters taken away from the 62, that should give you 24 as far as I know, and you'll end up with 12 millimeters over here. In other words, that corner over there is done at a 45-degree angle. If it is a 45-degree angle, note I've got a 12 millimeter line going up over here. If I take a line going back at 30 degrees over there, that distance over there will be 12 as well. So I don't need to measure 12 going back. I've already got that measurement, and I can draw a line going up over here. I'm going to just draw that in dark straight away. There you go, 12 millimeters going up. And I can draw a line going straight across over here, a line going down over there, and a line going across over here, showing that I've just cut off that corner. Can you see that corner that I've cut off over there? That's what I've just done over there. Right. Same story over here. I'm going to come across over here. It's 12 millimeters going up. If I go down at that 60-degree angle over there, note it's 12 going up there, 12 going across there, and I can then draw in a line going straight up over here and just continue straight the way across over there, giving me the impression of that corner being cut off as well. Draw these lines going across here and over there. Right, over here, again, you can see that 12 millimeters going up there. Just draw a construction line coming down over there. Note the 12 millimeters there, 12 millimeters there, and I can draw in a line going straight across over there, giving me the impression that I have cut the corners off at that 45-degree angle. Drawing that in. Right, the next thing that I'm going to look at is getting that pentagon in there. What we need to do is to get the side length of the pentagon. It says that I've got a side length of 30 millimeters. If you take that up over there and there, that's linking up with that 30 over there. Come up over here, and I'm going to draw a 30 millimeter line. Mark that off as 30 millimeters with a pair of compasses. I'm just going to set my pair of compasses to a radius of 30 millimeters. Just mark that off. All right, so that length over there that I've got there is 30 millimeters. You can draw this in dark. You get marks for it, so you may as well draw a circle. Come across here and draw another circle. Go down to the intersection of those two circles. Draw another circle. Draw a perpendicular bisector going straight up over here. Take a line going from the intersection of those two circles through where the perpendicular bisector goes through that circle over there, going up over there, go to the intersection of those two circles through where the perpendicular bisector goes through that circle over there. Take that up to that circle, and that circle. I now have the 72-degree angle that I need for that line and that line over there. Once I've got that, I can then take that pair of compasses that I originally marked off my 30 millimeters, still set at 30 millimeters, and I can now draw in that line going from there to there, and that line going from there to there. Right, once I've got that in place, I need to find the center of this pentagon. The way that I do that, well, I've got the bisected line over there, so I can take that measurement to one of these sides over here, and I can draw a line going across the center over there, and I can see that it intersects with that line over there. So there is my center to this pentagon. Once I've got that, I then want to find the center of this square story over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find, I can actually just draw a little diagonal line going across like that, from there to there, and a line going across like that, from there to there, giving me a center that I can then draw some center lines onto. I'm just going to draw that in red. Center line, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. Okay. Here's another center line, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. And that gives me a center over there of the pentagon. I'm going to go up over here, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, etc. going up there. And I'm going to measure off the height of this. It says that it is 56 millimeters in height. So I measure off 56 millimeters carefully. Go to that center over there, mark that 56 off at the top over here. Once I've got that, I'm going to just draw in some construction lines over there. And from there, I can then start working out where this pentagon's going to lie. You can see that this side over here is closest to the front of the thing. So I'm going to take this measurement from the center of my pentagon and place it on this line over here and mark that off. And I'm going to then draw in a construction line going over there. Right, so in other words, that length from the center to where that side is, I've placed that over there. I'm now going to take half the length of the side over here. I'm going to place it over here, mark it off over there, mark it off over there, and I can draw in that side straight away. There it is. Right, once I've got that, I then say, well, where is that point and that point, those two corners over there? I have a length from that side over there going out to there. So I found that point. I'm going to mark off that length. And I'm going to draw a line going across over here. Just a construction line going across over there. And I can come back over here and I can get that length over there, which should be the same as that length over there. Take that across over here, mark that off over there, mark that off over there, and I can now draw in a line which is going to go across like that, and a line that is going to go across like that. Right, I also have this length from there all the way to there. Go to my base over here, mark that off, and I now have the pentagon drawn in on the very top of my isometric view. Right, once I've got that in place, I know that the distance to the top of this thing was 56. There's my 56. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to drop lines coming down from the corners over here, from that corner, from that corner, and from that corner, and I'm going to measure off that 56 from that corner to there, mark that off, from that corner to there, mark that off, from that corner to there, and mark that off, and I can now draw in the base of this line going across from there to there, a line going across from there to there. And I can draw in these vertical lines coming down from there to there, from there to there, and from there to there. Right, once I've got that, you can see that I need another line traveling back over there, and I need another line traveling back over there. And that's that drawing completed.